I was thinking as I was getting ready to go to the office about how it's ironic that school is starting and it kind of feels like summer is over or should be over. But for us out here in Kerr County, it's really just kind of getting started. So, what I mean by that is having been part of an AC company since 2007, um, everything is definitely weather dependent for us. So I'm checking the weather forecast obsessively every day because it kind of gives at least a tiny glimpse into what our week might look like at the company. And so, anyway, as I look out right now, as far as you can see on the weather app, we're in the upper 90s and 100s. So we're pushing, 98, 99, all the way to 102, and just kind of variances of that all the way through the end of August. So for us, again, like summer's just really kind of hit. July was a really unique month with the flooding that we had, the lower temps. I mean, we had a week where we were in the upper 80s. In the past, I remember July being that month where we would hit like 108 if we were going to hit it. So really interesting weather this summer, kind of just indicative of how it's been lately. So anyway, summer is officially here, and at least for the next month, it's hot. If you have an AC unit that is just kind of been chugging along, not keeping the house cool, you've maybe over the summer had us come out or somebody else come out, put some Band-Aids on it, adding some refrigerant, and it could be time to just go ahead and swap out that system, get an efficient system in. Like the units that we have available now are way more efficient than what we've had in the past. So there would be some benefits to your electricity bill. And also, just most importantly, you would be cool. So we do have some programs right now. We have our VIP program where as a member, you get 5% off of new system replacements. We also have some promotions to where you can get one of the high efficiency systems for as low as like $130 a month. So there are definitely opportunities and ways to make that happen, and we can help kind of walk you through those and navigate you through that. So if that speaks to you and is something that you're dealing with, give us a call and we can come out and take a look. We do offer free estimates, and we can get out there and just kind of talk you through some options. Thanks, and hope you have a great rest of your day.